I forgot to bring brushes, but Valerie did not. We're gonna use the new palette we had last holiday season, and they're bringing it back just for a limited time. This is such a pretty versatile palette. We had to come into better light. We're gonna play with a talc-free powder, which is incredibly difficult to do. This had such success, they brought it back for another limited time. We have Pashmina, Kona, Rose. Look at that gorgeous like color. Parfait and Silhouette. And I forgot makeup brushes, but my 10-year-old didn't. Yay! Is it too bright? There. Oh, perfect. Okay. Do a little bit of a wash of the light color across the lid, okay? And then I'm gonna come in with the darker color more in the creases, and you could totally use this with just 2 colors, but because I'm excited to just show you the lineup, so that's kind of creating even color. I'm gonna come in with a smaller brush and do Silhouette, kind of where my eyeliner would be, and I'm gonna make a little V in the corner. Okay, this kind of elongates the eye. Gonna be right around where the crease is. All right, let's do that. Create some definition. And then I'm gonna come in with Kona, because Kona's still dark, but it's like a little bit lighter. And I'm gonna soften that up. A little bit, extend like the crease. A little bit higher here. You'll know I'm not a makeup artist. I like hate doing my makeup in front of people because I really always look so sloppy, but the end result is fine. So just trust me, if I can do it, because I'm impatient and kind of sloppy, you can do it too. With Parfait, because I haven't used that one yet, so why not use all of them? I'm gonna do that around the top. I'm not gonna go all the way to the brow bone. I don't think, not yet. I'm also kind of blind because I'm looking right in the sun. So I'm trusting the reflection in the camera. Oh, how good it's gonna look. I'm gonna go back with Parfait right in the middle, boop, boop. Right in the, sorry, the inner crease. Okay, wow, okay. What do I want? I'm gonna do Rose right along the brow bone, okay? So I'm gonna tap there, and I'm gonna kind of tap it rather than smear it, because I want that glitter just to stay right on the arch. I'm gonna create like a highlighted effect. And now, Jesus, the sun. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna blend it. I just have to say, those mermaid brushes, I mean, they're not that serious. They're not the greatest deposits, but I guess it's better than my finger. Okay, I'm gonna take a different brush now, one I think is clean, and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. Then I might go in and darken up certain areas. Yeah, doing that blind was a little bit hard. But here's the thing, just like with art, there are no mistakes in makeup. You can always make it work. So it's gonna be a bit of a like autumn smoky eye. You see, it's already coming along great. I just am gonna soften it again. Be right back. Okay, softened it quite a bit. I will come back to show you the finished look. All done, a little smoky autumn eye look. You can go bold, you can go subtle. Talc-free formula with staying power, with buildable pigment. You're gonna love it. We usually only have cream shadows, so this gorgeous palette, limited edition, just for now.